What's going on? My name's Robert, and you are watching Southpaw Auto Works.
All right, what we got here is our latest Andy's Dandy. Picked up a 2008 Chevy Colorado pickup 4x4, 800 bucks. You can see the front end's pretty rough there. Bumper cover. Headlights are faded. Probably gonna polish or replace those. Replace the bumper cover. Got the battery out of it. Charging, checking that. This is what they had for a battery hold down. We'll have to fix that. Fix the battery cable end. We've got some oil leaks. I've got the coolant draining right now because we've got a timing chain issue also. We've got to pull the timing chain cover. I've got the air cleaner box out. We're going to do a cleanup detail on the engine compartment. Take a look at the inside. Also pretty damn rough. Lovely seat. It's going to need to be redone, recovered. Glove box door. Busted off laying on the floor. Cup holders broken. Gonna have to fix those. Emergency brake handle. And of course clean up the rest. Bed's pretty rough. I'm figuring maybe put a bed coating in there to hide all that mess. Fix the tailgate cover, so forth, and then on the bed rails, maybe up here, we put a couple of them chrome strips to hide that. Pretty it up a little bit. Rear bumper seems to be in pretty good shape. Once it's cleaned up, we'll be fine, I think. And we've got an issue with the strip up here on the roof we're gonna have to repair for cosmetic, I imagine. For 800 bucks, all in all, not bad for a four-wheel drive. We'll get to work on it.